Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back with yet another super affordable hair review, of course, from my local beauty supply store, because y'all know that's what I love. So if you guys are interested in these beautiful bundles that I currently have in, then of course continue watching this video. Okay guys, so like I stated in my intro, this is another review of some bomb beauty supply store hair that I had to come share with y'all, because y'all know whenever I find good beauty supply store hair that's super cheap, I love to come and share with y'all, because we all need to be slaying on a budget, because why not? So yeah guys, this is the hair that I will be telling y'all about, and this hair is beautiful. So let me go ahead and give you guys the deets on this hair. I actually threw away my packaging, so I don't have it to show you guys, but I will leave a picture in this video, and of course I will leave this hair link down in my description box. So this hair is the Ultra Purple Pack Brazilian Bundle Natural Body Wave. It says this is 100% premium human hair blend, so it's not 100% human hair. It is bundle inspired, so it's not like the all-in-one pack. It actually comes with just a bundle, a pack. It says it's easy to maintain, and it says it is tangle free and shed free. I did get this hair in 24 inches, and y'all know I'm about 5'3", so this hair is pretty long on me. It actually looks like 30 inches on me, and I want to show you guys where it stops at. So it stops at like my waistline, so it is definitely pretty long, and I did get this in the color 1B, and y'all, this hair was only $10.99 a pack. $10.99. So of course y'all know this is a quick weave. I do a lot of quick weaves with my beauty supply store hair, and I did not film this video. Well, I didn't film like a quick weave video because I already have like a metal part quick weave tutorial here on my channel. So I just wanted to come and bring you guys a review of this hair because it is so bomb. I absolutely love this hair. Of course, this is not 100% human hair. It is pretty much synthetic, so you cannot expect a lot out of synthetic hair. You're only paying $10.99 a bundle. You just really can't expect a lot. So it says it's tangle free and shed free, and I'm not going to say that's a lie, but it does tangle just a little. But if y'all can see, I am running my fingers through my hair and it's not tangling at all. The only time I get tangles is if I go like a long period of time without brushing my hair. So what I normally do is just take my big weave brush and just brush it out, just to make sure I don't get any tangles. And as y'all can see, this hair brushes like so good. It does shed a little, but not like uncontrollable. I feel like it's pretty manageable, especially if you are used to beauty supply store hair. That is pretty normal. And honestly, I think I state this in a lot of my videos, but even with some expensive hair, you probably are going to get some tangling and shedding just like your real natural hair. So y'all, for the price of this hair, I absolutely love it. I just love the volume in it. I love the curl pattern. Like I said, this is the natural body wave, and I love the fullness. This hair just is super bouncy and it flows so beautiful. So of course y'all know I had to come and let y'all know so we can all slay together, because like, who really want to go out and spend a whole lot of money on some hair? If you guys are into like quick weaves and weave ponytails, I would definitely suggest you guys try this hair out. So of course I will leave the link down in my description box so you guys can purchase if you are wanting to try this hair out. No, this video is not sponsored. The hair is from my local beauty supply store and it was only $10.99. But when I come across good hair, I love to share with other people, especially if you're on a budget. So yeah, y'all, I just want to hop in really quick to give you guys the D's on this hair. I am absolutely in love with this hair. I have not tried to straighten this hair just yet, so I will probably try in about another week. So I will probably come back and give you guys an update on how long I kept this hair in and if it straightens well. So be on the lookout for that. If I do not do a video, I will definitely leave like my final review down in the comment section pinned. So if you have any other questions that I did not answer in this video, of course leave it down in the comment section. I will be sure to answer. Trying to see, is there anything else I want to say about this hair? I believe that's it, y'all. I will definitely repurchase this hair, especially for another quick weave or a weave ponytail, because it is definitely good quality for the price that I spent. So yeah, y'all, I'm not going to hold y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.